We have here a sample of technical description of plot, and we will plot this in CAD. But before that, let us transfer these values in CAD. You will notice the unit is in meter. If you want to change in millimeter, type UN to change the units. Let's start. In command panel, type PL. For start point, input the 0,0 value. This is our start point. Next, we will input all the given values from the technical description. But how we will do that? In command panel, input this value while the command is still active. As you notice, the distance value is 11,110 because our unit is in millimeter. Just multiply the given distance, which is 11.11 meters, to 1,000. Next, input all the remaining values from the technical description. Then enter to terminate the command. And that's it, as simple as that. What if we did some changes in the drawing unit? Type UN for units. Then check the clockwise. Then input all the values from the technical description. Command PL. Start point is 0,0. Next, input all the remaining values from the technical description. You will notice that it is in the opposite direction. So when the clockwise is checked, it is in the opposite direction. Also, always check the direction control in the drawing unit. east is the default base angle. What if we change the base angle? We will just input the first value of the technical description and let's see what will happen. Always remember, before you plot, check first the drawing units and uncheck the clockwise. Make the east as the base angle in the direction control. Stay safe, thank you, and God bless.